What's up guys, and welcome back to A&B Airsoft. In my last video I was playing at Lake Norman and only played on 2 maps. However, my camera was overheating because it was like 90 degrees out there anyway, so I wasn't able to get the full footage of the third match that I was in. Now, that one was Myrna Mountain and the bamboo line mixed together. And in this game mode we were supposed to push to find a flag. Now, what we had originally done was try to push around and flank the other team. However, my camera didn't catch all of that, so I'll just show you the snippets of what it did catch right now.
Who knows this map? These maps. We need to get a leader then. Okay, I don't know these maps. Let's put 2 people. Hey, I'll call somebody. Okay, you ready, man? And then you two. Pistol, you two are going to be second group. You want to run with this dude? Sure. I can go pistol if I need too. Combat over there. Hey, over here. Speed softeners with him. Who's close? We're going to be pushing hard and fast. Oh, to the right. Hey, who's short range? Probably me, but I'm shit at close quarters. Short range? With my gun, fucking 8. We get one long range on here. I got you. I got you. Good, get that. What do you mean? I'll go with this group. You want to go with this group? Meet in the middle? Alright. Alright. Shoot the rest. Should we go across the bridge first? Come on. Yeah. We're all gonna push across the bridge and split up. So we need to go first. Get loaded up on the bridge. If you're going left, go first. That's go up behind and go right. No. They have a farther trek. They need to go first. If you're going left, line up first. No, we're going back to golf cart lid. Yeah, this white golf cart lid right here. Y'all just a little too close from where we put it. Okay. Yeah, we already. Same plan though. Same plan.
If you have no clue what's happening here, what they're doing is dividing us into 2 teams. One, a long-range team where everyone there has a decent range, maybe around 50 feet to 60 feet, while the other team, which has a shorter range because short-range team, our team would go around and flank the enemy team looking for a flag that no one knew where it was. Now, once we got this flag, I'm not exactly sure what I had to do or what we had to do with the flag, but we never found it. Now that you guys get the gist of what's happening, I can go ahead and skip to when we're about to start the round.
Go. Watch your left. Get to the car. Where's the building?
From the start of the match to where we are now, what we're doing is going all the way around to the right side through small woods to then reach the bamboo line where every other enemy was. What's happening here is that one of the people in the front of the group has seen someone moving inside of a bunker, either within the bamboo line or somewhere behind the bamboo line, but instructed all of us to get down because it'd be harder to see and or shoot us if we were to be seen. Unfortunately, this is the end of the video because this is all I could recover from the camera because it died and overheated twice that day. If you like what you saw, or if you know anyone that would like this as well, my only 2 videos, then you should totally like, subscribe, and share. I almost messed that up. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.